guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Cross Street Classics. Back here at our Lincoln Mark III build. You can see here we got a few things on here since the last video. We got the wheel tubs all in, wheel wells. I got most of the accessories on the engine. Got a few odds and ends to finish up with it. Started working on the air conditioning hoses. We ended up replating these because they don't make these. So we replated them. Had a new condenser put in. The other one, the thread stripped out of it, so had to get a new one of those made. Fortunate they make new ones. And we got our brakes all bled. And got the steering all hooked up here. All the vacuum lines are on. The vacuum tanks are done. These are the vacuum tanks for the, this is for the headlights. This is for the cruise control. And this is the other can over here for everything else. Air conditioning system, the climate control, the power door locks. And I believe for the trunk release and anything else vacuum operated, which there's a lot of vacuum operated things on this car. So the one thing we've been working on here, and we're going to focus on today, is the headlight assembly. These cars had the hidden headlights. So kind of a Ford thing they had from the mid-60s on up. Lincoln's had these from the Mark III's clear up to the Mark VI's in the early 80s. And the one thing that Ford did was make these things just super, super complicated. This assembly right here, as you see, no headlights in it, no rings, and no cover. There's over 30 pieces, and that doesn't include the hardware. There's probably 50 to 60 bolts and clips in this, along with the 30 pieces. So this one assembly, the bolts onto the these 4 bolts here onto the core support. There's over 100 pieces. It's kind of funny actually.
Pretty stupid.
Well, it's overkill, but this was the pinnacle of overkill, and we kind of like it. So as you can see, we went through. We cleaned all the bolts up. I plated them all, and added some stainless steel ones here because these bolts into the pot metal, they tended to want to rust, so we put stainless in there. Cleaned the vacuum can up. Did a test on it. Held a good vacuum. So what we're going to do now is we're going to show you how we went from this here. This is the old one here. This is the one we're using for parts. To this. So we're going to tear it apart. We're going to sandblast it. We're going to paint it. We're going to reassemble it. So sit back and enjoy the ride. Okay guys, so we got all of our parts here all dried up from the paint, and all of our fasteners are plated. So we're gonna put all these together. All right, guys, so we got this side all together. Blake's finishing up the last couple bolts. The exciting part about this is we get to leave all these bolts loose. So when we put the header panel and fenders on, we can adjust everything. So there's gonna be a lot of adjustment here, but at least there's a lot of room for adjustment. There's 4 bolts to hold us to the core support. All right, guys, so the only thing we need to do with these is we have to hook the vacuum can up to the headlight assembly here, the cover assembly. We're going to leave that go until we get the headlight cover pieces on and get the header panel on, because that'll allow us a little better ease of adjusting everything, because with the car off, they're going to be up. We need to have them down to line up. So, but that's pretty exciting here. We're moving along. We just made the car another foot longer, and it still has a little bit to go.
This is true.
So hope you guys liked watching this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment below, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.